This is my personal advocacy and it is free. Anyone may join. The following program is brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children. Magandang araw, mga bata. Ngayong araw, ang pag-uusapan natin ay ang addition table. Ito ay dinisenyo para sa inyo. Siyempre, sino ba ang nagdisenyo ko? Ang iyong teacher, Edward. Magandang buhay, mga kabataan. Ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon ay ang addition table. Ito ay isang pamamaraan upang mas mapadali ang buhay ng mga mag-aaral, lalong-lalo na sa mga nag-uumpisa pa lang mag-aral. Ang sabi nila, ang hirap daw ng mathematics. Pero hindi totoo yan. Ang isang mathematics ay isang pag-aaral na kagaya din ng salita, lengguwahe. Kailangan natin intindihin ang kanilang mga salita para mas mapadali ang mga pag-aaral ng mga bata. Dinisenyo ko ito para mas lalong mapabilis. Color-coded siya. That means, gumamit ako ng colors ng rainbow. Familiar ba kayo sa bahaghari o rainbow colors? Ito ang tinatawag na Roy G. Peeve. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Tinagdagan ko ng mga earth colors, brown, gray, and black. Bakit nilagyan ko ng kulay ang bawat columns? Ito pala ang tinatawag natin columns. Letter C stands for column. Meron tayong 10. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and 10th column. Pero pagdating sa row, ito ang sinatawag natin row. Meron tayong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 30,000, 100,000, millions, and so on and so forth. Walang tinatawag na hangganan ang number of rows. Okay? Pero pagdating sa column, hanggang 10 lang tayo para mas maintindihan ang mga kapataang nagsisipag-aral. Ang color coding na aking ginamit ay ang rainbow colors. Meron tayong 7 na rainbow colors, pero dinagdagan ko ng pang-8, 9, at 10 column. Ang pang-8 ay tinatawag natin brown, gray, and then black. Pero ano yung mga rainbow colors? Meron tayong 7. Ang acronym dyan ay Roy G. Peeve. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. And then, we have the additional earth colors called brown, gray, and black. Sa column 1, lahat nito ay nagtatapos sa 1. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Sa second column na color orange, nagtatapos sa lahat mga numerals dito ay nagtatapos sa 2, 2, 12, 22, 32, 42, 52, 62, 72, 82, and 92. Sa third column, na ang kulay ay yellow, lahat itong numbers na ito o numerals ay nagtatapos sa 3, 13, 23, 33, 43, 53, 63, 73, 83, and 93. Sa fourth column or number 4, we have numbers ending in 4. This one is 14, 24, 34, 44, 54, 64, 74, 84, 94. Okay? Ang susunod nating column ay fifth column o number 5. Lahat mga numbers nito ay nagtatapos sa 5. 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, and then 95. Okay? How about the sixth column? Lahat mga numbers nito ay nagtatapos sa number 6. 6, 16, 26, 36, 46, 56, 66, 76, 86, and 96. How about the seventh column? Color, ano bang kulay na ito? It is violet. Lahat ng numbers o numerals dito sa column violet ay nagtatapos sa number 7. This one is 17, 27, 37, 47, 57, 67, 77, 87, and 97. Okay? Sa 8th column, which is in the color brown, we have 8, 18, 28, 38, 48, 58, 68, 78, 88, and then 98. How about the 9th column? It is the color gray. Lahat ng mga numbers na ito ay nagtatapos sa number 9. Can we start? 9, 19, 29, 39, 49, 59, 69, 79, 89, 99. We have the last column, which is the 10th column. Color black. Lahat nito ay nagtatapos sa 0, like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Napapansin niyo ito, yung gitna niya ay meron tayo natawag nating line. Tinatawag nating line. Napapansin niyo na meron tayong line na inilagay dito sa middle. Middle ng columns 1 to 10 ay nandito ang gitna. Okay, malalaman natin kung bakit tayo naglagay ng line dyan. Okay? So, bakit natin sinabing addition table? Pwede natin gamitin ito hindi lang sa pag-identify ng numbers, pero pwedeng gamitin sa pag-add. For example, 4 plus 10, nasa ilalim lang niya ang answer, which is 14. How about 26 plus 10? Nasa ilalim lang niya ang answer. Pwede rin gamitin sa subtraction. 46 minus 10, nasa itaas lang niya ang answer, which is 36. How about 2 plus 1? Hanapin natin siyempre yung number na 2. Tapos magdagdag tayo ng isa, which is 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay. 4 plus 1. Tatalon tayo sa kabila, which is 5. How about 5 plus 2? Tatalon tayo ng dalawang beses. 1, 2. Ang answer ay 7. How about subtraction? Pwede yan. 37 minus 1. Tatalon tayo ng pabalik ng isa. The answer is 36. Paano naman kung 34 minus 2? Tatalon tayo ng dalawang beses, pabalik. 1, 2. The answer is 32.
Good day. Our lesson for today is pretty easy. All you have to do is to count the number of digits. For example, number 31 has 2 digits. If you know the answer, shout it aloud so that your teacher can hear you. There are 25 items for you to answer, and please take note of your score at the end of the session. Your score tells you about how good are you in the subject matter. So make it good, kid. You may use your paper and write down items 1 to 25 and your corresponding answers. Are you ready? Question number 1. How many digits are there? Number 2. How many digits are there? Number 3. How many digits are there? Number 4. How many digits are there? Number 5. How many digits are there? Question number 6. How many digits are there? Number 7. How many digits are there? Number 8. How many digits are there? Number 9. How many digits are there? Number 10. How many digits are there? Number 11. How many digits are there? Question number 12. How many digits are there? Number 13. How many digits are there? Number 14. How many digits are there? Number 15. How many digits are there? 16. How many digits are there? Number 17. How many digits are there? Number 18. How many digits are there? Number 19. How many digits are there? Question number 20. How many digits are there? Number 21. How many digits are there? Number 22. How many digits are there? Number 23. How many digits are there? Number 24. How many digits are there? Number 25. How many digits are there? Congratulations, this ends the lesson for today. I hope you make it good. Otherwise, next time you will make it better. This is Teacher Edward saying bye-bye, but don't forget to visit, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Good day! In this video, we are going to make use of the symbols greater than, less than, or equal sign after comparing two numbers. You can choose your answer as greater than, less than, or equal sign. Here are the examples. In this picture, what did it tell you? A has one apple, while B has one apple. What will be the symbol that you have to use? Is it greater than, less than, or equal sign? Yes, 1 is equal to 1. This can be read as 1 is equal to 1. How about the second one? What will be the symbol? Set A has one apple, while set B has two apples. What will be the symbol you are going to use? The answer is less than sign. This will be read as 1 is less than 2. How about the third example? What symbol are you gonna use? Group A has two apples, while the group B has 1 apple. What symbol do we gonna use? Yes, we will use the greater than sign. This is read as 2 is greater than 1. How about the fourth one? Group A has 4 apples. Group B has 6 apples. What symbol are you gonna use? Will it be greater than, less than, or equal sign? Since 4 is less than 6, we will use less than sign. This is read as 4 is less than 6. In this example, Group A has 6 apples, while Group B has 6 apples. They have the same number of apples. Now, what symbol do you gonna use? Both groups have the same apples, so they are equal. So this is read as 6 is equal to 6. Group A has 8 apples, while Group B has 8 apples too. Can you guess what symbol shall we gonna use? Yes, it's equal sign. Both sides have the same apples. It is read as 8 is equal to 8. Group A looks bigger than the Group B. How many apples does Group A has? Group A has 8 apples, while Group B has 4 apples. What will be the symbol you gonna use? Yes, the greater than sign. This is read as 8 is greater than 4. This is number 7. How many apples does Group A has? How about Group B? How many apples does Group B has? Groups A and B have the same number of apples. Therefore, the symbol that we're gonna use is equal sign. This is read as 2 is equal to 2. You are great! We are now in number 8. Group A has 3 apples, while Group B has only 1 apple. What do you think is the symbol that we're gonna use? We are comparing 3 against 1. The symbol that is used is the greater than sign. This is read as 3 is greater than 1. We are now in number 9. How many apples does Group A has? How about the other group? How many apples does it has? We are comparing groups A and B. Since Group A has more apples, we will be using greater than sign. This is read as 5 is greater than 4. We are now in problem number 10. Group A has 5 apples, while Group B has 6 apples. Group A is lesser than Group B. Whenever Group A is lesser than Group B, use less than sign. This is read as 5 is less than 6. The following numbers will tell you how good are you in reading the symbols that we have learned so far. Number 11. Read the expression aloud. Number 12. Read the expression aloud. Number 13. Read the expression aloud. Number 14. Read the expression aloud. Number 15. Read the expression aloud. Number 16. Read the expression aloud. Number 17. Read the expression aloud. Number 18. Read the expression aloud. Number 19. Read the expression aloud. Number 20. Read the expression aloud. #21. Read the expression aloud. #22. Read the expression aloud. #23. Read the expression aloud. #24. Read the expression aloud. #25. Read the expression aloud. Congratulations! Now you are an expert in comparing two numbers using our symbols. Hey, ang mga anak niyo ba ay interesado sa math kahit kinder pa lang? Please let me know. May libreng tutorial.